And as promised, we also have a very short presentation in English for English viewers. Thank you very much for joining us here today. And my name is Anders Justenlund, and I'm an associate professor at UCN Business. If you want to learn more about our English programs, you can log in at 5 p.m. from now, so that's 45 minutes from now. Log in to the different links on the site that you have, where you can learn more about our programs in international sales and marketing. You can learn more about our program in international hospitality management, and you can learn more about our program in sport management as well. If you don't want to have a job afterwards, but want to create your own job, you can do that as well, because you can go in and learn more about our next step program, which is our entrepreneurial incubation program here at UCN. We tend to see a lot of our students who actually start up and register their own businesses already before they graduate from here. This is a way where you can get mentoring from professionals from the industry. You can get different advices from legal services, and also if you need more funding to start up your own business. You can also go in and chat and talk to some current students here at UCN. There is a student room, as we call it, where we have students ready to answer all of your questions that might be in relation to their day-to-day life. Here at UCN, it could be in relation to their teaching programs, but it could also be in relation to all the social activities or how they found an apartment here in Aalborg. Last but not least, we also have general services where representatives from our student counseling group are ready to answer more general questions about how you study here at UCN, but also about studying in Denmark and about our daily life on how to settle yourself in a new country for you. Thank you very much for joining us in this short live session, and I hope very much you will enjoy the different breakout rooms that we have for you here in 45 minutes. Thank you very much, and I am looking forward to welcome you, all of you, September 1st, when we start up with our new classes in the new semester. Thank you very much.